Close your eyes, make a wish tonight. Every dream you hold inside, all the love, all the light, it's already yours, shining so bright. The stars are whispering your name, the world is shifting in your way. You are magic, you are gold. Take the story and let it unfold. All that you deserve is coming to you. The universe is working, making dreams come true. Open up your heart, let
A Pleasant Day po, ma'am. So, ang napili ko pong poem ay, ang title po ay To My Muse, o sa salitang Spanish po is Ami. O salitang sa salitang Spanish po ay Ami. So, bakit ko nga po ba napili ang poem na Ami or To My Muse? Dahil because it's a Rizal, it's a pieces of work Rizal na kung saan inadress niya yung muse or yung and also his dream in poetry. The poem reflect his reliance and gratitude on inspiration to transform to a beautiful beautiful writing of his poem.
So during his youth, while in the Europe, is the poem reflects his deep belonging or longing to his family in the Philippines. So dahil doon is nakahanap si Rizal ng isang tao, na dahil doon alam naman natin na si Rizal ay mag-isang naglalakbay sa Europe, at dahil doon nagkaroon siya ng dahil doon may nakita siyang isang individual na na nagiging inspirasyon niya at nag-encourage sa kanya na magsulat at bigyan pa siya ng lakas to express his emotional to his emotional ideas, thought about writing. Rizal acknowledged his creativity, his talent, and also her inner drive para magpasalamat dun sa taong yun na naging inspirasyon niya sa pang-araw-araw at also para sa kanyang pagsusulat.
So additionally po, ma'am, so as someone who experiencing inspiration from someone who na talagang nai-inspired ka, nagkakaroon ka ng positive energy, the more na iniisip mo yung tao na yun is the more na nagiging komportable ka, the more na nagkakaroon ka ng courage to continue about your future. And also nakakatulong din siya to live a daily life, kasi once you inspired by someone, or like nabubuo yung araw mo, always kang excited, always kang sa tuwing nakikita mo siya, yung someone na yun, like nabubuo yung araw mo. Hindi pwede na hindi mo siya makita, o hindi mo siya wala kang masabi sa kanya na hindi pwede na hindi mo siya makita, dahil for me, the poem which is the title is the To My Muse is really inspired me, and also additionally knowing the history of Rizal from someone he loved, or from someone someone who inspired Rizal. So knowing this, ang love ay hindi lang about sa pagmamahal, kundi about din siya sa patient, commitment, faithfulness of